Good morning everyone, we are finally back on the road. And for today's video is gonna be epic because we are going to La Mesa Dam Trail with Padjak Magkasawa and Ruel Durian Vlog. Welcome to La Mesa Dam. Papayagan ba tayo ng guide na maglaro? Oh, tek, ang dulas. Ay, delikado. Oh. Like, share, subscribe. Hey guys, we are finally here at La Mesa Nature Reserve. Me and Yuki will be having so much fun. I hope the guide will allow us to ride even we are using our Japanese bike. Let's hope and pray. Welcome to La Mesa Nature Reserve. Hey guys, after you made your reservation, you have to pay for it. So it's 200 per head, 1,000 for a guide. Contact tracing is a must. And there is also a waiver.
Mabayad na sir?
Opo sir, opo.
1,000 sir, no?
200 per head. Ilan po ba siya?
Ito.
I'm gonna search for our guide right now. Kuya Jaime.
Unahin natin yung pinakamalayo, Tower 1. Magpa-fire road lang muna tayo, puro ganito yung daan. Tapos pabalik, doon na tayo sa dadaan sa mga view deck, mga ano, sa trail. So doon na tayo pabalik. Kasi pagka inuna nga natin dito sa view deck, medyo laspagan yung labanan dito eh. Hindi na tayo makakarating ng Tower 1. Malamang mahirapan na kayo. So mas mabilis yung tama yung suggestion niya. Okay.
Bilang naman po.
Oh, sige.
Pero sir, hindi tayo sir pipwedeng mag-reverse mamaya kasi
Marami sa. So anong gagawin? Babalik tayo dito?
Pwede sir, ganun.
Ay, ganon.
Siguro gusto niyo sir.
Hindi, kung gusto mo pwede rin naman dito.
Pwede na.
Wala, maaga pa naman, wala tayo kasabay, no? Sige, ay, reverse dito na lang daw. Kasi mahirap ang sinasabi niya. Mamaya, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-counter. Kasi sasalubong, maraming sasalubong. Tinatawanan lang tayo ng alam na yung diskarte. Kunwari pa, kala mo nagmamaang-maan. Wala pong alam dito. Hindi na beses ka na sumali sa karera dito.
Naliligaw pa rin ako dito.
Grand Simano yung sinasalihan yung sumasali sa karera yun dito eh.
Let's begin our ride.
Para tag 200 kayo. Ngayon kung tatlo lang kayo, 1,000 pa yung babayaran mo. 1,000 talaga ang bayad. Pero maximum 5 rider.
Survive! Woohoo! That was exciting. We are still inside La Mesa Nature Reserve. are now at the Kawayan Trail again. Bamboo Trail. Oh, putol po. Ah! Hey guys, we just exit Bamboo Trail. We are now heading for a water source. Let's go! Ate Sel on front. This is just a stream. After the water source, we will be going to the view deck. I'll be back. Hey guys, we're loaded, means water was already refilled. We had to buy some snacks over there, and then we will be proceeding to the view deck and then Tower 1. We are finally here at the view deck of La Mesa Nature Reserve with the team mag-asawa Will Durian Vlog. Like, share, subscribe. The view deck. And we are approaching the reserve.
Oy, kunin mo ako, ba't ikaw, puro ka sulo sa inyo. Pakuha ka, tapos dalawa tayo dito. Dali mo rito yung bike mo.
So it's a 6-kilometer ride to Tower 1, and we will get to see some pine trees, Baguio fields. So let's ride. We will be back. Hey guys, it's currently 12 in the afternoon. So we started our ride around 7 a.m. in the morning. You do the counting. So this will be the last ascent, so we can reach Tower 1, and then I think an 8-kilometer downhill to the exit. Let's send this. Hey guys, we finally reached Tower 1 of La Mesa Nature Reserve. Thanks to our organizer, Ruel Durian Vlog. Nabudol. Japanese bike on Tower 1. If I can survive, you can survive. Everybody can survive. Let's go. Hey guys, we actually survived La Mesa Nature Park. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you in paradise.